Look, distressed debt investing isn't for the faint-hearted. If you're in this game, you already know how brutal it is. Uncertainty everywhere, assets that everyone else runs away from, the frustration of watching opportunities pass because everyone else is too scared or too slow, the gnawing feeling that you might miss the one deal that changes everything. You're not just fighting markets, you're fighting time, psychology, and often your own doubts. Everyone talks about spotting value, but let's get real. What really drives success here is way deeper than spreadsheets and cash flow models. First, stop thinking like everyone else. Distressed debt is a high-stakes chess game, where everyone's trying to play checkers. Most investors freak out at the first sign of bad news. You learn to get comfortable with chaos, develop an obsession for detail that borders on paranoia. Know more than the company's financials. Know the people, their fears, their incentives. That's how you create edges no one else sees. This means you don't just read reports, you get on the phone with every insider still breathing, you dig into contracts like a forensic accountant. Your willingness to do this is what separates winners from amateurs. Second, kill the ego. You will be wrong more than you are right. If you can't face that and move fast, you'll never survive losses that come with distressed deals. The best step is to build a relentless feedback loop. Analyze why a deal went upside down and fix your process. No excuses. No blaming the market. Winners in this field are brutal on themselves, and that means embracing discomfort constantly. Losing trades don't kill you. Refusing to learn from them does. Third, your network is your power source. This isn't just about cold emails or LinkedIn likes. It's about real relationships. People who tell you the truth even when it hurts. Lawyers, restructuring experts, lenders, executives who know what survival really means. The game isn't just about capital, it's about information and trust. The moment you feel isolated or start assuming you have all the answers, you're already behind. Push relentlessly to connect with operators who are rebuilding businesses, advisors who thrive where others panic. These are your eyes and ears inside situations no report can capture. Fourth, time kills deals faster than price. You have to move faster, but smarter than everyone else. That means building systems to spot distress signals early, watch creditors, supply chains, management changes, not just earnings reports. Use data, but trust your gut when the numbers don't tell the whole story. And then, when you decide to move, commit fully. Half measures in distressed debt almost always mean losing your shirt. Be ruthless and clear about your exit strategy before you even start, because getting stuck in bad paper happens to those who chase returns without discipline. Finally, understand your role beyond just profits. This is a brutal muscle game, but there's something bigger here. Most fail to see it, but successful distressed debt investors shape entire futures, saving companies, saving jobs, forcing markets to clear the dead weight. Your capital isn't just money, it's a weapon to rebuild broken things better than before. The frustration you feel, channel it into the responsibility you hold. You're not here to play it safe, you're here to win where everyone else folds. So here's what must happen. Double down on learning every detail no one else cares about. Build thick skin for pain and loss, and turn those into your fuel. Create alliances with people who refuse to sugarcoat reality. Move fast with conviction but never blindly. And always keep your eyes open for the bigger picture. Because in distressed debt, success isn't just about the deal you close, it's about the futures you build while others buckle. Stop wasting time guessing what might work. Act now with fierce clarity and brutal honesty. And watch how this game ceases to be a trap and becomes your battlefield. This is how you turn chaos into opportunity, frustration into power, and risk into unstoppable success. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and open the featured link to discover more.